closely.
Dinner.
Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you want to be a villain #1, you have to chase a superhero on the run.
Get to Del Taco. They got a new thing called Free Shabakadoo. Free Shabakadoo.
Don't touch that.
Iridocyclitis.
It's over 9,000! And his name is John Cena!
Mama Luigi.
Now look at this net that I just found. When I say go, be ready to throw. Go! Him, not me! Oh, let's try something else. Now, no! Here's the deal. You slip and slide through this banana peel. What are you doing?